Acknowledging recent studies that have shown positive results of Ivermectin in treating COVID-19 patients, the South African Health Products Authority says the information is still inconclusive.
Recent studies that were published, and the study was conducted by Dr. Hill, who did the study on behalf of Unit 8. And we looked at that, what's called a meta-analysis. So this is where they conducted a review of the available clinical trial data for the use of this drug in the treatment of COVID. So in the study, what they found was that there is a trend, a positive trend in terms of the what we call the viral clearance, faster time for viral clearance, shorter duration of hospitalization. But this was a positive trend that was identified. However, in the study, he indicates very clearly that there were some gaps with the clinical trials that were conducted, in that they were small in size, so it's not easy for us to reach a conclusion based on this data.
In the meantime, the regulator says doctors who want to prescribe the drug to patients must first apply to it for special permission.
We've had instances, in the past, wherein there has been what we call Section 21, which is basically an emergency use type of authorization that we would give for the use of topical Ivermectin for the treatment of, those individuals that have scabies or head lice. So we've made this drug available for other indications, even though it's not registered.
The Ivermectin Interest Group, a lobby group of local doctors that are pro-Ivermectin, says it's prepared to work with the authorities to get the drug approved in the country.
I think what we're going to do now is just get the relevant people to get the proper protocol done. Our hope is that we can get some of the academic centers in the country to participate in this, and then make the proper application, as any clinical trial is normally done in this country, both from a regulatory perspective and from an ethics perspective.
Currently, Ivermectin is registered for treatment of animals only. The health products regulator says possession of the drug for any other purpose remains illegal. The regulator has announced that a Pakistani businessman has been apprehended at King Shaka International Airport trying to bring over 2,000 Ivermectin tablets into the country. However, it could not provide details of how the so-called bust came about and whether or not a police docket has been opened. Bongeni Mochwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.